Hey everybody, this is Derek Comartin from CodeOpinion.com, and here's everything that I found interesting this week in .NET and in software development. So the first one up here is ProxyKit by Damien. I seen his tweet regarding this, and what it is an ASP.NET Core middleware that basically creates your app as a reverse proxy, at least part of the pipeline that you want that to happen. So what I think is really interesting thing here is, one, that I was totally unaware of that even any of these existed. So I'm not sure if it's the first one created or not, but he's got a lot of functionality built into this thing. The cool thing for me is being able to define rules for things like claims in a JWT token. So check this out if you're in need for something like a reverse proxy. This is a really cool project. All right, so next up from here is I noticed, I think as well as this post on Twitter where I discovered this from Ali, which is called BeeHive. And this is a .NET standard as well, library that is used as a mini framework for cloud actors and specifically Azure. So I believe this is using Azure Storage as well as Azure Service Bus and a worker role to kind of make this all work. So if you're in the interest for using an actor framework, and specifically with Azure, obviously you can look at something like the virtual actors with Orleans or Akka.net. So if you are kind of in that space, you might want to check out BeeHive. All right, so now on to C#8's nullable reference types. So here's a post by Mark. Basically what it does is it turns on the new setting that is available in C#8. If you're unaware of what the nullable reference types I'm referring to is, obviously check out this post, but you can also see various talks and presentations by Mads talking about it. But what this post does is really just shows enabling it and then all the errors that you're likely going to run into specifically and how to overcome them. So it's a simple post, but dives into like what you can expect once you turn it on for your project. So lastly is this talk from AWS reInvent, which is called Closing Loops and Opening Minds, How to Take Control of Systems Big and Small. Highly recommend checking this video out on YouTube. Best part for me are the 10 patterns he goes over. So again, I'm really interested in this talk. I thought it was really a really great talk. All right, that's it for this week. If you enjoyed this post, give it a thumbs up. You can find all the links in the description. Thanks.